Hi, good day. This is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz, and welcome to this journey. It's the first time I will go on biking in my hometown here in the Philippines, in Mindanao. And join me to my journey this day. I'm still not familiarized with the road again, but I am in the farm side or the countryside. So it is a very relaxing place, and also the natures, the birds, and many other things we can see in this journey for today. So thank you for joining us in our journey for today. We always use this road previously, but now because almost the people have their motorcycles and they don't walk here or go with their farm animals, that's why this road is full of weeds and it is very difficult to bike here or to walk in this spot, and also it's very dangerous, especially nighttime for some snakes or other reptiles. But anyway, still good for biking. Now I will go to the farm road, and the road condition is a little bit dry because it's about 2 days no rain. That's why I can go for biking, but still very difficult. Almost all the area you can show here is the sugar cane, and in the other side also is the cassava. Here's some kind of problem. I think the road is not good condition, but anyway, this is mountain bike, so we will go with the mountain. We appreciate it that you are watching this video, and you can help us improving these channels by liking this video and also subscribing to these channels. And if you want the updates, you can click the notification bell. I passed through all the mud, but it's kind of weird. I am very careful not to ruin my shoes, but anyway, the other side or one side is very deep. That's why my shoes is wet already, and also my bike, it's full of mud. So I passed already that area. The good thing is the sugarcane here, they already harvested, and maybe it will dry to the sun because there's no covering in it. It's a very good place in this area, and I will continue to bike over there and see what other we can see. Somewhere in the distance the sun's coming up, everything is blurry, the trees flashing by my side. So I pass again another mud, but now the road is clear and I can go on to this biking, and I always use the low gear in this part. The good thing is not too much rain coming these days, that's why I can bike and the road is dry. Also the corn is harvested already, that's why a little bit clear in this road.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company.
But again, encountering this mud terrain. But I will go in the middle part because the truck tire is not coming through this part, so it's a little bit hard. I hope it will be more okay in this road because we will not go to the water.
All things must pass, but I'm not gonna wait.
Just have to steady, stable road. Okay. Okay, something. It's hard in the middle. Okay. Oh. A little bit, it's hard but a little bit loose, and you can still slip through this kind of rubble or a loose soil. So this part is little more deep, and I try to travel. So it's fast. So again, we can continue.
But then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember.
So there's many paths in this area, but we will try to select the straight path.
Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa. No, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up.
Travel for a little bit, and again, there's some kind of water, and maybe I will not go from the water. I will find another way from that farm road. It's not too hard, but I think here it's deep a little bit. So let's go. We will go to the other road. This is the new prepared land. Maybe later on they will plant this one, sugarcane. The bad thing here is the weed is too high, and also in the other part, let's see whether there is some kind of road over there. There's a little bit human track over here, and we will try to follow that one. But it's very deep, this water, and it is very heavy when your shoes is much wet. So I try to cover from here. This is the weeds that can hurt you and follow turn. But anyway, we will do this. I think they put some way over here inside the sugar, and it's very difficult. The handlebar of the bike is touching the sugar cane, and you cannot continue. Okay. No. Oh, no. Bike Dragon. Oh. Dito naman ta ko molusot. Distigla ko dire. They started harvesting the land, and when they will finish with this one, it will be clear and more easier. And we pass again one very difficult side, and continuing the beauty of this place. You can chill out. You can see all the natures over here already. So it's still too much, or still too much fun in biking, even though I'm not accustomed already with this mud and water. Little bit cold in the feet, but this give you more experience and exercise so that you can leave your race behind road. And we will continue.
Maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you.
There's some kind of bad road again, but not too much like the previous one. Still you can handle. Okay, there's some kind of main road. The identification of the main road is some kind of limestone or hard rock. We'll go to the river and it's our final destination.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
So, found success. This is the spillway, and the upper part is the road. It's called spillway because when there is a flood, the water will pass through in the road. It's not look like a bridge, but you can pass on it, and now it is very strong. I will rest a little bit and try to explore more in this river. I remember before there's some kind of waterfalls that is wild in this area, and I forget already. Why now? I will try to find that one. I will not stay here for a long time because here the river is very dangerous. Even there is no rain, there is some kind of flood, and actually it reaches very high. And I think that is the waterfall, but I will try to go nearer on that part. I will try to rest here a little bit, but now the rain is starting, and this kind of river is very dangerous because especially when it's gloomy, we don't know that in the mountain there is too much rain or heavy rain already and causes some flood, so many people or animals die in this some kind of situation. But anyway, this is a very long journey and it's the first time, and we will have some more place later on to explore in Mindanao or in Philippines or in Bukidnon. So once again, this is Prexyll from Prexyll vidz, and leave your stress behind the road, and thank you for joining us in our journey for today.